Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Q. Today we are going to talk about a topic that is both basic and important in Texas Hold'em, odds and probabilities. Probability is a very simple and useful tool. After mastering, the improvement in poker skills will be obvious. Probability and odds are tools that help us make the right decisions. Let's first distinguish between probability and odds. The probability is the chance that you will win if you hit the community card. Odds is the ratio between chips in and chips out. For example, after the flop, you have a 33% chance of winning. A 33% chance of winning would be a 67% chance of losing. The ratio is 1.2. At this point, you only need to put in 20% of the chips in the pot. You can continue the game. The odds are 1.5, so mathematically speaking, this is worth calling. The easiest way to calculate the probability is the 4-2 rule. Suppose that after the flop is dealt, you have 12 cards that help you win. 12 cards multiplied by 4 equals 48%, explaining that after the flop, you have a 48% chance of collecting the pot. If the turn card is dealt and there are 12 outs remaining, then 12x2 equals 24%. Simply put, the 4-2 law is that after a flop, multiply the number of cards you can win by 4. After the turn, multiply the number of cards you can win by 2. After talking about how to calculate the odds, let's talk about how to calculate the odds. Let's say we have 100 BBs in the pot. Your opponent has played a half pot. That's 50 BB. The pot is now 150 BB. You'll only need to put in 50 BB. You win back 150 BBs from the bottom of the pot, which is 1-3. What does this 1-3 mean? It means that if we deal 4 times, one of those times you win, 3 losses, then you're back in the black. If the probability of winning is higher than the odds of putting in your chips, mathematically you should call. If the probability is lower than the odds, you should mathematically fold. This is a purely mathematical decision. After mastering basic mathematical probability, together with the understanding of position that we talked about earlier, you're a beginner at Texas Hold'em.